everybody, Miss Charlie here with the June 2019 Boxycharm. I did see some people open their boxes and there were a few things that I were just like, but we'll take it with a grain of salt and see what's in this box. There were some things that I'm glad I did receive versus other things, but we'll take it from there. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, our theme is a getaway, and then on the back we have the products that we will go over and see whether I'm happy or not. This is the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. An essence is something you use after your skincare. It's not a primer for makeup. I've seen a few people who have opened these boxes and think this is a primer that you put on under makeup. It's an essence. You use this after your skincare. So after you wash your face, mask, whatnot, when you're putting your skincare on at night or whatnot, you put this on as a toner, as an essence. It's in a tube instead of, say, a bottle, which most essence come in a bottle like this. This one comes in a tube, which I think is really cool. And it's liquidy, just like an essence should be. And it smells so good. It smells like a really nice skincare product. And you put it on your skin and then you pat it into your skin. You don't rub it all the way into your skin, you pat it into your skin. That's what you do with toners and essences. You pat them into your skin. But I'm glad we have this because I do use toners. This one I just ran out of. This is from Etude House. This is a Korean brand. This is also a Korean brand. There's no Touch and Soul. And I also use this one here, the 3-second starter, the collagen one from Holika. They're all very nice, very light. Put them on after you wash your face, mask and whatnot. Then you put that in, and what that does is it brings the pH back into your skin. So, not to say anything bad about other people I've seen use it because they see primer, they think it's like the No Problem primer. This specifically says it's for smoothing and pore to help smooth your pores. This is an essence, which is different, and it even tells you on the back what you should do with it. And that's one pet peeve I have from some influencers. They get products and they don't read the directions, and they're like, well, I don't know how to use this. That's what directions are for. That's what they're for. But that aside, I'm glad to get this Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. I was also glad to get this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss. It looks like that would be the color, but it is clear. The color is Strawberry Lemonade, I think. Yes, Strawberry Lemonade. Yeah, Strawberry Lemonade. And this is how the doe foot looks. So like a flat doe foot. It is clear. The little hint of tint. It goes on very nicely. The thing about it is that I was thinking, it's lemonade. It's strawberry lemonade. It smells like cake. I was expecting it to smell like strawberries or lemonade or lemons or something in that area to go with the name, but it smells like cake. That was kind of disappointing, but I did use it. It works fine. It goes on nicely. It stays on for a while. It's not sticky. It's not heavy. So I was glad to have this because this is something you can just throw on if your lips are feeling dry. You just throw it on really nicely and it has a nice shine. This retails for $17, and the Touch and Soul Prime Essence retails for $23. But I was glad to get this in my box. I was also glad to get these sheet masks. I love sheet masks. I do a mask every other day. I have my husband doing masks with me now, and he's enjoying it, and his skin is looking fabulous, if I must say so. But I love it. I love a good sheet mask. And when I got these, because there was something else that other people had gotten, I was like, I don't think I want that. I'm glad I got these. And you get 3 of them. And these are the green tea ones, which will really help to settle your skin. You know, if you pick at your skin or you get redness, this green tea helps to calm your skin. So that's good. And this one is the matcha green tea antioxidant sheet mask. And these retail for $24. And it says green tea works to stimulate and rejuvenate your skin cells, helping with premature aging and hyperpigmentation. So I am so glad that I got these. I will be using these, well, at least one of them tomorrow, because I masked yesterday. Today, not. Tomorrow I will be using one of these, or both of us will be using one of these. So I'm excited to get these. I've used Pearlie's before. I've had their moisturizer. Their moisturizer is amazing. So Pearlie's is great. So I was glad to get these in my box this month. The Steve Laurent highlighter. I've gotten a few things from Steve Laurent. I think lip products or highlighter or something like that. They were okay. This is a jelly highlighter, and this retails for $26. It says it is a Bounty formula, lightweight, blendable, water resistant. We will see. I haven't touched it. This is in the color Prosecco Please. It does feel bouncy. It just feels squishy. You can't see the, there you go, you can see the indents in it. It is squishy, but it's not like too squishy. There's the color. Ooh, that's pretty. You can use that as an eyeshadow. If you're deep skin like me or deeper, this would be beautiful. Ooh, that's pretty. Holy, yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I will be using this. Yes. Yes, ma'am. So thank you for this. I have enough highlighters, like I really need any. But this is pretty. This would be a great eyeshadow too. You could put this on and wear it as an everyday look, you know, with a neutral look, and just pat this over the top. That'd be really pretty. So we got this from Steve Laurent, and this is the jelly highlighter. Last thing was this Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is the BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. Retails for $36. We've had these type of palettes in Boxycharm for the last year. I have them all. This one is neutrals. I don't wear a lot of neutrals. I have plenty of neutrals in my collection. I am a colorful person. I love colorful makeup. Every now and again I will use neutral makeup because I have so much and I want to go use the stuff that I have. So sometimes I will wear neutral makeup and maybe add a pop of color to it. But this one, compared to the other ones that I have, which are just as neutral, I can't do anything with this. So this is going to go into a giveaway. So make sure you are subscribed. That will be one of your criteria to enter. So make sure that you are subscribed. And again, it's basically neutral, everyday colors. So if you're one of those people who, you know, want something easy to wear to school, to work, to anywhere, or you just like neutral stuff that you can throw on really quickly, this would be you. So this is going to go into a giveaway here soon. So make sure you're following us on Instagram so that you can get all the details. But this was the one thing that I was not very happy about getting. So this is what I received in my June 2019 Boxycharm. one disappointing thing. The rest of them are absolutely fine and fabulous. Thank you so much, Boxycharm. I will link it down below if you'd like to try the subscription. It's about $22 per month, not affiliated. So, and you can cancel at any time. They do have bigger boxes called Boxy Luxe, which I might try in the future, but right now this one is just fine. I will put the total of everything that was in the box on the screen so you can see the value that you're getting for these boxes each month, and these are full-size products. So thank you for watching. Again, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you're following on Instagram for the giveaway for this item. Like, share. We appreciate you so much. Thanks so much, and you have a good rest of your day.